Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. I am Martina Lily and today we have a non-makeup video. We actually are putting to the test a Hairvivi wig. And I am very excited. Now, for those of you that have been following my channel for a very long time, I have absolutely suffered with hair loss in my life, especially the past 2 years. My hair has significantly changed to the point where as long as I keep it very short, I can wear it natural. But there was a time where even just wearing my natural hair like this, I would have like literal scalp showing through, that kind of a thing. So for many years I have worn hair toppers and wigs and that kind of a thing, and I used to incorporate them a lot more on my channel. I just honestly got lazy when I cut my hair short and just keep it short, but I still wish that I had my long hair or longer hair, to be honest with you. So I do still wear my wigs every now and then, like when I'm going out and that, when I want some more hair, that kind of a thing. So I have always wanted to try a Hairvivi wig and I figured this was a great opportunity. So if this all sounds interesting to you guys, go ahead and do the YouTube things like subscribe, hit that notification bell. Let's get started. This is a sponsored video from Hairvivi, so thank you Hairvivi for sponsoring it. Just a full transparency though, it actually even states in the contract that I can be completely honest with you guys on my feelings about their wigs and their product. So even though this is sponsored, this will be my honest opinion. Also, this makeup look is my Lisa Eldridge Betty eyeshadow palette review, and that will already be up on the channel. So if you want to see how I got this, check that out. Hairvivi. Now these guys have been around for a really long time, and I've actually wanted to try a Hairvivi wig for years and years and have just never bit the bullet because I picked up a couple of other really expensive ones, and by that point I was like, okay, we got no money left. All right, we can't just keep buying wigs. Long story short, I had dramatic hair loss from coming off the pill when I was 25, and then also like severe anxiety. And a couple of years ago I got diagnosed with ADHD and got on meds and like kind of like I guess addressed my anxiety, didn't have anxiety anymore either. Like, so just a lot, like the stress on the body, that kind of a thing went away, just a lot of different health things. And ever since then, like over the past 2 years, my hair has grown back a lot. Now I will unclip it actually and just show you guys. Is it ever going to be thick and luscious? No. And honestly, if I grow it much longer than this, it starts to get very thin and like ratty looking, and keeping it this short really allows me to make it look thicker than it is. I also have a phenomenal hairdresser who, Elise at Ella and Jade here in Brisbane, and she's so good and has dramatically also changed my hair and helped me like keep it growing and all that kind of thing, if you will. But if I want my hair to be any longer than what it is, I have to put in either tape and extensions, because otherwise, especially around the front, it gets really thin and there's just like lots of gaps. And they're honestly just not too much upkeep for me and really costly. So wigs are a really good opportunity for me to have some long hair and be able to play with that while not having to outlay such a cost, like kind of 5 weekly, if you will. And I'm really intrigued to try this Hairvivi one because these are supposed to be like the easiest wig or wigs that you can ever try, and essentially they say they're glueless and you can just pull them out and put them on and they look incredibly natural, and you don't need to like glue them down or even like, you know, stick them down at all, whatever. So we're gonna test it and see how it goes. So this is the box it came in. Let's unwrap it. So this is what we're looking like. All right, so it says, thanks for your purchase. So step 1, randomly pick out a lock of hair, brush it and check if there is shedding. Put the hairline part over your hand to check the clean, bleached knots and pre-plucked hairline. 3, make note of the elastic band and the piano keys. These will help you wear the wig glue-free. Gently check the lace and enjoy the new micron technique that gives you an extremely melted appearance. Wig technology does advance every year, and it's been a couple of years since I've bought a new one. So I'm really excited. So here's a little bag it comes with. So oh, I've got a little, I guess that's like a fine tooth comb, but also like an edge tamer, I think they call that. Not that I have edges. 2 hair clips, an extra little comb if you want to like sew an extra comb into the wig, and maybe this is the piano band that you can like clip in, because some people use them, some people don't. Okay, and then gosh, their packaging is very fancy, even like the sticker. So this is the wig. It also comes with a silk bag to store your wig. Then you also get this little card that's how to care for your wig. So gently detangle the hair with your fingers or comb, apply shampoo. So it explains to you like how to wash and care for your wig, which is awesome. They do put a hairnet over it to make sure it comes, you know, as damage free as possible. Let's see. Can you see how long that is? That's pretty long. I am very excited. Oh, it's got 2 hairnets. There we go. Oh, wow. That feels so soft. Like, can you see how my hands just run through that? That feels gorgeous. Incredible. Wow, this lace is, that's a thin lace. So let's have a look here. Can you see that lace? That is incredibly natural and an incredibly natural pre-plucked hairline as well. Oh, it also has the piano key in here and a comb, so they just give you an extra one, which is awesome. I will have this exact wig linked down below, but for reference, it is the 20-inch Viola wig in dark brown. And with Hairvivi, you can choose the color lace and everything. So depending on your skin tone is going to depend on the lace color that you were going to pick, which is great. The biggest thing about wigs that kind of makes me not wear them as much as I used to, or just not want to wear them as much as I would like, to be honest, is it can be a lot of work to like glue them down, even though I do like the temporary glue and like make sure the scalp looks real and pre-pluck them. And like there's just, it's a lot of, I found with the wigs that I have purchased before, there has been a lot of like pre-work I've had to do and learn before putting them on, and it just takes a lot of time. So if this really does stick to the claims of like glueless and being incredibly natural, it's going to be a game changer for me. It says like clean bleach knots, so it makes for natural and free parting, and then they pre-pluck the hairline, so it's a natural hairline, and these knots are incredibly well bleached. You cannot see, no, can you guys see that? You cannot see any knots. Sometimes if you don't get a wig, if you get a dark brown wig, especially with like non-bleached knots, or if they're not bleached super well, you'll actually see like little brown dots, and it just doesn't look as natural. So you get a 13 by 6'5" larger and deeper part section, which I'll show you in a second. And then if you are a deeper skin tone, they will also put in an Invisi scalp, which will look more like your skin tone. So this will look the right color skin tone against me because I'm quite pale. But if you're a deeper skin tone, this would be like too light. So they will put the Invisi scalp in for you. So this is the parting. Can you see that in there? That you can like change the parting and everything. So that's awesome. All right. So what we need to do is, I think this will be a straight part. So I need to tie my hair back, and I'm gonna not put a wig cap on to begin with because honestly, I find them really annoying to wear, but I will change my part. So let me do that first. My hair's pinned back. I'll see if I need to like hairspray it and all that kind of stuff, but I just want to pop this on and see kind of where we're at. So it does have the piano key. So kind of how I do this is, I've never been great at popping a wig on, I'll be honest. So you're just gonna have to like watch me struggle. Potentially, although that was rather easy. And then I'm just going to pull it down. Oh, this fits really freaking well. Holy dooly. Okay. Gosh, that fits well. And look at how natural that is. My God, this is the most natural wig I have ever put on. Now, the hard part for me is always literally, I struggle so bad with cutting lace. So that's going to be the hard part for me. And fun for you guys to watch, I guess. I'm really not a lace cutter. So the fact that I can brush this without it moving, I've never had a wig like that before. Wow, that's incredible. If you've ever tried a wig, or if you've ever tried a Hairvivi wig, let me know. But you'll know what I'm talking about if you've tried one where you're like, wow, just putting one on and being able to do this is unheard of. At least for me, I've never had one and been able to just pop it on and have it look that natural, especially. All right, now for the hard part, which is the lace cutting. So you want to get yourself some small scissors. I also have some big ones, which I will just use the big ones to cut off the excess, just to make it a bit easier. And this is where you just want to take your time, because if you're going to screw it up, it is with the lace. I'm going to try really hard to get this in frame, but I'll speed through it because I cannot talk and cut lace at the same time, and it's going to take me a while, so. My God, this is the most natural lace I have ever tried, and just fits. Now the part that stresses me out the most is always these little sideburns, because I have never been able to cut a sideburn well. And when I even watch like Ms. Roche Posh and stuff, I know that like she even struggles with sideburns, which makes me feel much happier, but it stresses me out. I gotta be honest, this lace is so transparent, I can't even see it, like where I'm cutting. Okay, that's as good as I'm gonna get the lace cut, because it's really not my jam. Now let's brush this through. Oh my gosh, I have long hair. Wow. God, this hair feels amazing. Okay, now we need to style this a little. I just want to like flatten here a little bit. And if I'm honest, I would actually change the part, because I like to have mine a little bit more side on. However, I parted my hair straight down the middle when I put this on, so I won't for right now. All right, friends, that's it. Truly, this is phenomenal. This is the wig company, or at least this wig that I've tried, this is the one that I would recommend out of all of the ones that I have tried. Hand on heart, sponsorship, no sponsorship, this is what I would recommend. I have never, like, if you go back into my channel, I think it's not last year, the year before videos, you'll see I'm wearing wigs, like my hair's like long in them. And if you see when I go up close, like you'll see what the lace and everything looks like. And it absolutely does not look like this. And just know, even in those videos, when I've got a wig on my head, it has taken me a minimum 30 to 45 minutes to get that wig on my head, plus a mountain of products to like make my part look natural and make the lace look natural and all that. And I've always had to glue them down because they've never just snugly fit my head. They've never been comfortable. Like the hair themselves in those wigs is fine, but like this is, I have never ever taken just a wig out of the box and plonked it on my head and had it look so natural. That's insane. I love this so much. I really recommend this, truly, you guys. If you, whether or not you're just wanting to change up your hairstyle and you don't want to damage your hair, whether you suffer from hair loss and you wear wigs all the time, or if you are thinking about trying your first wig, I honestly recommend this. It was so easy, so easy. And I'm sad because I wish I had discovered this so long ago, but also like I know the wig technology just keeps getting better and better and better, which is phenomenal. So anyway, I'm super impressed. Thank you to Hairvivi for sponsoring this and sending me this wig because I am beyond happy, truly. But let me know if it's something that you're considering, if it's something that you are already doing. If you have any questions or anything, let me know, because when I first started wearing wigs, it was so overwhelming. You have no idea the research and the videos I watched, and because they're not cheap, so like I was so nervous. And like the first one I got, I spent like $1,000 on, which was a huge deal to me, and it just wasn't perfect and it was so stressful. And honestly, if I had got this like the very first time, I just would have been so happy. So yeah, if you have any questions, let me know, because I know how overwhelming it is. But yeah, I'm absolutely stoked with this. So happy days for me. All right, that is it. If you're watching till this point, thank you so much. I truly appreciate it. I hope you have the most amazing day wherever you are in the world, and I will see you next time. Bye.